Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to show you how to install the Metamask wallet. Go to any search engine, type in Metamask Wallet. You will find metamask.io. You can also type that directly into the search bar. You will download. I'm going to download here for my Edge browser, but you can download for Chrome, etc. Click on Get. You will add the extension. You will get started. If you've already created a Metamask wallet on another device or another browser, you can import it if you know what your secret recovery phrase is. If you don't, or if you're doing this for the first time, you'll need to create a wallet. I will agree here, and then I will create a password, something that hopefully will be memorable. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions. There's a short video here that you can watch that will give you some information on the secret recovery phrase. I'm just going to click next here. Once I click here to reveal the secret words, I'm going to find 12 words in a very specific order. It's important that I make a note of what these words are and the order in which they are. This secret recovery phrase, if somebody gets a hold of it, it's like having your account number, username, and password all written down on one sheet of paper. So write it down and keep it in a safe place. Store it in a password manager, or take a photo, or some other way to keep it secure. So now that I have gone through and done the verification, I am going to click on All Done here. And now it will show me what I currently have in my MetaMask. Now notice that up here where it says account 1, I can click on this and copy to clipboard. If I do this, this will copy my MetaMask address. This is my public address. The public address is basically like giving out your email address or your phone number to someone that's going to send you a Zelle or a Venmo payment. They can send you payment, but they can't access your account.